Hi, I'm Tom from DYMO, and today I'm going to show you some tips and some tricks on how to care for your LabelWriter printer. If your printer is printing incorrectly, the first thing you want to make sure of is that it's the correct label type and size that's chosen on your DYMO label software. Now I'm going to show you how to care for your printer. If your printer is printing excessive blank labels, the first thing you want to do is lift the cover off of the printer. Then tear off any excess labels. Press the backwards feed button to remove the labels from the printhead. Then unplug the printer. Remove the spool from the cover of the printer and make sure that the label roll is rolled nice and tightly. And then make sure that the right disc is pressed tightly against the roll. It should make some kind of a clicking sound with the spool. Then you want to place the spool back into the printer cover, plug the printer back in. Now load the labels back into the printer, making sure that they are completely left justified. If your printer has a label guide, you want to move it to the far left, making sure that the labels are held tightly in place. You may need to press the forward feed button to advance the labels. Then just close the cover and you're done. If your printer is jammed, open the printer cover. You'll want to tear off any excess labels. Press the backwards feed button to remove the labels from the printhead. But if that doesn't work, then you're going to want to unplug the printer. Gently pull the faceplate from the top to remove it, but be sure not to touch the circuit boards or sensors to avoid any kind of damage. Now, pull the lever towards you to separate the printhead from the roller, and you can remove the labels very carefully. Now, if the jam is still present, you may have to cut and remove the labels in the printer from the roller. Then, reattach the faceplate by aligning it with the printer and gently snapping it into place. Ensure that the faceplate is secure before you plug it back in, load your labels, and you're ready to print. If you need to clean your printer, cleaning cards can be ordered on DYMO.com. The first thing you want to do is open the printer cover. If there are labels loaded into your printer, press the reverse feed button to remove the labels. Please take necessary precautions and use eye protection and gloves when handling the cleaning cards. The first thing you want to do is open the cleaning card pack. Then, place the cleaning card in the printhead. Press the forward feed button and the cleaning card will roll through. Now, you want to remove the cleaning card, and then note that if you're using a LabelWriter 4XL, you may have to repeat the previous steps in order to cover the width of the entire printhead. We want to dispose of the cleaning card properly. Load the labels back into the printer, and then close the printer cover. Now you're ready to print. We hope that these basic tips and tricks help you care for your LabelWriter printers. If problems persist, please contact DYMO Consumer Care Lines directly for more support.